Hey developers, welcome back to Ditha Tech Insights. In today's video, we are going to tackle a common error that you might have run into while working with Laravel and the Carbon library, especially if you have upgraded your project to 8.2. I'll begin with running my project here. And once my project runs, I'll go into our browser and try to look at what it gives us when we try to put it out in our browser. This is what it tells us when I come here and run my localhost. It has not yet run. We can wait for it to start the server. Okay, now that our server has started, we can come here and try to run our project in the browser. Okay. Now, if you have ever seen something like this, you are in the right place. This often pops up when you have built your project on a lower version of PHP, then shifted to a system running PHP 8.2. The underlying issue is that this method in the Carbon library is expecting an array, but it's receiving a boolean instead. This usually is caused by a version incompatibility or an unexpected return value from another method. You see, Carbon is a great tool for manipulating date and time in Laravel. Specifically, the setLastErrors method can be extremely useful for setting and retrieving errors during time and or date operations. It helps developers by detecting and handling any time or date errors more efficiently. But when PHP versions change, things get a little bit more tricky. So, how do you fix this? There are a couple of ways to go about it. One of the ways you could go about this, it would be for you to update your Nesbot Carbon from your command line in your project like this. You just have to go to your command line and type your composer. You type a composer command and say composer update Nesbot Carbon. Okay, and then hit enter. When you do that, you will be trying to update your Carbon library to the latest version. You can do this as we have seen. This should resolve the compatibility issues with PHP 8.2. However, running this command like we have seen here may cause other dependency issues like that one that shows here. Okay, when you encounter something like this error, for a junior developer, this can look pretty complicated, but don't worry, there is a simple fix for this. How do you fix this? The best way to avoid these issues and improve your project's overall stability is running a full compose update. Just type in compose update. This will update all your dependencies and resolve any potential issues with package vulnerabilities. I will do it here in my command line, composer update, and I will allow it to run. Okay, we give it time and let it run. Okay, after it finishes running, you could see it will unpack all the packages. Now, after it has finished generating the optimized auto loads and our composer update has been done successfully, we shall move to our browser and then just try to refresh our project, and we shall see the error will have been solved. Then, as simple as that, that is our solution. Okay. After generating all our optimized autoloads, we shall simply go to our browser and refresh our project, and we shall see the error will simply be gone, and our web project will simply show up. That is one of the methodologies, but alternatively, you can also just downgrade your PHP version from 8.2 to 8.1. This often solves the issue, but you need to be careful. Downgrading PHP could break other parts of your project that require 8.2, so consider this carefully before proceeding. Finally, if the error persists, you might need to modify the code where the error occurs. Make sure the value passed to setLastErrors is always an array. You can know this by casting the value as array using the array syntax, just like this. You just have to go here and then you look for our creator, because it is the one that is trying to throw us that error. You just have to come here, and then after opening that file, you try to find the setLastError methods, like you could see here. And then when you come to this setLastErrors method, what you have to do, just before our parent, come here and cast our array, cast this to array. And then when you do that, okay, we save this, and then we just come here and to refresh our project. It should be able to throw away that error, because everything is being casted into an array. So that is it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the setLastErrors issue in no time. I hope this video helped you understand the root cause and how it is fixed. If you find this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more Laravel and development tips. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also reach out to me directly using my email, info@dithayug.tech, or give me a call at +256 787 045644. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Bye.